This is a short DDAmanda video on SPZI Incorporated, SPZI, on the OTC. Now this first showed up, well, she's been, ringing bells here. Back here on November 6th, she had a 22 factor. And then more recently, a 4 factor right here. And then we've got our 200-day low, okay? And then on Friday, she's got this huge 908 factor, traded almost $1 million, traded $890,000. Had a high of 13, which is also a 200-day high, and she's up 400% right here. Now, let me reload this, and when you first bring this up, uh, this is her social media at 10. But then after a while, see how it switched to 14 and 1? That means she's number 14 on social media, and she's number 1 on breakout boards. Also, if we want to see the trading in real time, just click on this chart here. This is what she did on Friday. She started off, opened at 3, which is down here, and then just, jumped and just, channeled here and then went up a little bit. So she closed close to the high of the day, closed at 10. So this one, if you were paying attention, you could have probably accumulated this and maybe really accumulated once you hit this this 200-day low at trip 1 and, made some good money here. Anyway, that's it on this stock. We're having a Christmas special, so if you want to try DDAmanda at no risk, we have 100% refund guarantee. Check her out because that's how we find all these babies right here, okay? Anyway, have a good rest of the weekend and thank you for watching.